Hey there folks, today on Calible I'm going to show you what to do if Gemini isn't generating or if you're having some issues with image generation. The first issue is that you've probably hit your account's generation limit. To generate more, you need to buy Google Gemini AI Plus. It's a paid service for more generations. You can also try going into accounts and then account management, not exactly there, but switch accounts and log in from a different one. This might help. If that doesn't work, go into settings, look for Gemini. There, and clear the cache. Click delete cache, then click yes. Also, where you add permissions to the app, you must ensure you add more features. Maybe this is causing the problem. Also, uncheck this box and accordingly see if it works. If that doesn't, then the only option is a complete reinstallation, uninstalling and downloading it again through the Play Store. That's it. Goodbye everyone.